The most enjoyable part of work is how varied it is. There's always something different to do.
When I first found out about AGFA Graphics, I was surprised at just how diverse the manufacturing industry was here.
It was quite a shock finding out that it was bigger than I expected.
So I was pleasantly surprised that I had quite a lot of opportunities here in Leeds and didn't have to relocate and look further elsewhere.
My biggest achievement here will probably be the responsibility of the lab instruments. Anything goes wrong, I'm the guy that gets to fix them.
Definitely become more confident. I do a lot of work on my own now.
I'm in the unique position here at AGFA Graphics. I'm a graduate trainee, so I get to rotate around all the different departments.
A lot of the skills that I took from university as well are really easy to apply here, especially in chemistry. There's a lot of sort of analytical stuff like unknowns and applying it in different ways.
I feel like I've gained so much experience and so much knowledge.
Not just using the equipment, but how it works fully and how to set it up and make sure that it's working properly.
One of the benefits of doing an apprenticeship route rather than a degree is you're earning more to learning.
Why sit around talking about a topic when I could actually be physically doing it?
I'd put my guarantee in it that you'd enjoy it.